Right, so just going to quickly show you the full extent of the rust, and that probably not seen it too well in videos before, so I thought I'd quickly do that whilst I'm out here. Just had to pick up some stuff from the garage, so let's see if I can I had hoped you could turn the camera around. But, there we go. It's getting there slowly. I'm hopefully picking up another project soon. Hopefully getting my hands on a Mark 1. But I'll get more into that when that actually arrives, if it arrives. And I'll just show you this one. And this one's even worse. Just trying to see the screen as well. I have a feeling that it's got some power steering leak or something there, because it looks a bit damp. Another problem I have to get to when that one comes up. Just show you the ooh, she's crusty. Some people would say I'm pretty nuts for taking this task on with my limited time. And what was it? But yeah, hopefully this will be on the road by sort of May, but I'm not going to be counting no fucking chickens. Here it is. 1.3 for 4-cylinder GL. It's viscous LSD, so it's all-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. It's kind of why I want a Mark 1. Back box doesn't look too bad. There's some rust holes up there above the fuel intake. I'll get a light. What do I do with it? Not pretty, but it's there. So I didn't really have anything to work with because the whole lot was missing when I got the car. I stupidly didn't really check it too well, which sort of landed me with the rusty Justy that I have now. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. I mean, everything inside the shells, like inside, sort of like the inside 7. If you go past the inside 7 inches, it's not too bad. And there's literally nothing on the outside body shell, which is a bonus because there's nothing really other than the lack of roof situation. The rest of it's alright. But yeah, that's the Justy, and I'll try and get on with it a bit more when I get a chance. Hopefully the weekend, if I'm not picking up a Justy or getting one moved. But yeah, cheers and have a good one.